Full time Arsenal 2, Sheffield United 1. We recovered well from a poor start in the first half. Our first half was relatively poor and we left a lot to be desired. We did have a good opening in the second minute when Aubameyang tried to play Nketiah, but Nketiah just missed his touch. Otherwise, for most of the first half, we were just pedestrian and very passive in possession and not doing anything substantial with it. We had to wait almost half an hour for our first shot on goal. It came around the 30th minute mark from Nketiah, but it was a comfortable save for their keeper, Ramsdale. And he made a good save in the 37th minute from Aubameyang. And Aubameyang took that shot from distance, but tipped over the bar. And yep, that's all there was to the first half. And Sheffield United had no shots on target. We were struggling for creativity in this half, and I thought Ozil would have been a good player to start this game. And even our starting lineup looked very... I was not convinced by it. I don't know why Lenny started. He should only be starting cup games, and I don't think he's ideal for Premier League games. Willian was poor today, to be honest. And that was the state of our first half. But in the second half, things improved, especially after we brought on Pepe from the bench in the 55th minute. Ceballos put in a great floated cross to Aubameyang, and Aubameyang just missed his touch. In the 61st minute, we got our goal. Great play from Bellerin. He whipped in a cross from the right, and Saka scored a header at the near post to make it 1-0 to us. 3 minutes later, we went 2-0 ahead with Nicolas Pepe's goal, a solo goal. Pass from Bellerin, he ran forward, and the finish was like Thierry Henry. And from there on, we controlled possession very well, and we were passing it a lot better. But Sheffield United found their mojo a little bit after the 77th minute. Leno made a comfortable save from McBurney, and in the 81st minute, Sheffield United scored a great goal from McGoldrick. He cut in past Tierney and hit a beautiful shot into the net to make it 2-1. And he almost scored towards the end of the game. His shot went just wide, but we were able to hang on and get the 3 points. Not the best of displays, I would like better, but sometimes you have to win ugly, and our second half display was good enough to earn this win, in my opinion. And yes, I would like more possession, and I'm disappointed we couldn't sign Aouar or Partey, but it is what it is, and our board isn't very good with transfers, so you kind of expected this thing, to be honest. And yep, let's get into the player ratings. Let's start with Bernd Leno. I'm going to give him a 7 out of 10 because he had literally nothing to do apart from one simple save, and once he had to come off his line. And he didn't have much of a chance against McGoldrick's beautiful shot. Gabriel, 8 out of 10. Simple, solid performance. Kept Sheffield United at bay in the first half. Nothing much to say. David Luiz, I'm going to give a 6.5 out of 10. He had one shaky moment in the first half against Borca, but the rest of the game he did decently and he passed well. Tierney, I'm going to give a 6 out of 10 because going forward he didn't offer too much, and he could have done a bit better for McGoldrick's goal as McGoldrick cut past him. Bellerin, 8 out of 10, 2 assists, quite solid in the second half and okay in the first half, but a good enough performance nonetheless. Elneny, 6 out of 10. He didn't make many mistakes in midfield, but he didn't play any good forward passes. Ceballos, 6 out of 10. Ceballos, because he played one beautiful ball in the second half, but he struggled in the first half. Saka gets a 7 out of 10 for his goal. He wasn't very good in the first half, but second half he was a lot better. Willian, 5 out of 10. Disappointing, to be honest. He didn't do anything substantial in this game, anything noteworthy. And Nketiah, I'm going to give a 6 out of 10. He should have connected with Oba's ball early in the first half, but struggled for large parts of the game. But he's still learning, and I feel Arteta shouldn't start him as much as he does, because I understand Arteta likes him, but I don't think he's ready yet. Aubameyang 7 out of 10. Not his best game, but he still had an impact. He played a part in the first goal and he had a shot on target. Could have done better, but the tackle was quite hard on him. I think it was from Baldock. Yep. And in the substitutes, I'm only going to give Nicolas Pepe a rating. He gets a 8 out of 10. He changed the game when he came on. He added a bit more impetus to our attack and he scored a beautiful goal, Henry-esque. Beautiful maybe a bit too much, but he scored a goal that reminded us of a great or legend. So that's why I mentioned that. And yeah, thanks for watching. We now move on to Man City away at the Etihad in the Premier League. And enjoy and have a great day.